Hi everyone, I'm Alice. Bob, have you ever felt your emotions change suddenly?
Hi, Alice. Yes, absolutely. One minute I'm fine, then suddenly I feel sad or angry.
What does that feel like for you?
Like riding a roller coaster I didn't choose to get on.
I understand that feeling. Do these changes happen often for you?
Some days, yes, especially when I'm stressed or tired.
Today, let's talk honestly about mood swings and how to handle them.
I think many people will feel less alone after hearing our conversation.
Bob, can you describe what happens when your mood suddenly shifts?
Sure. Yesterday I was laughing with friends, then suddenly felt tears coming.
That sounds confusing. Did you know why it happened?
Not really. No big reason, just a small comment triggered it.
I get that too. My energy changes fast, happy to exhausted in minutes.
How do you handle it when that happens?
I pause and tell myself, this feeling will pass.
That's a good reminder. Moods really are temporary.
What usually triggers your mood swings, Bob?
Stress at work is the biggest one. Also, when I haven't slept well.
Same for me. Hunger affects me too, have you noticed that?
Yes. I get irritable when I skip meals. It's like my brain needs fuel.
Exactly. Blood sugar changes affect our emotions directly.
Do you track your triggers somehow?
I keep a small notebook. It helps me see patterns over time.
I should try that. Knowing triggers is the first step to managing them.
Bob, do you notice physical changes when your mood shifts?
Definitely. When I'm down, my body feels heavy like I'm carrying stones.
I get headaches, and my shoulders get tight when I'm anxious.
Do your hands ever get cold during mood changes?
Yes, especially when I feel nervous or upset.
That's my body's stress response. Blood moves away from my hands.
So our bodies and emotions are connected?
Completely. Taking care of my body helps stabilize my moods.
When your mood drops, do your thoughts change too?
Yes. I start thinking everything is my fault or that I'm not good enough.
I do that too. But are those thoughts really true?
Usually not. It's my mood coloring my thoughts.
How do you separate mood from reality?
I wait. If I feel the same way tomorrow, maybe it's real. If not, it was the mood.
That's smart. Don't make big decisions during mood swings.
Exactly. Give yourself time before reacting.
Bob, how do mood swings affect your relationships?
Sometimes I say things I regret when I'm in a low mood.
Have you talked to your partner or friends about this?
Yes. I told them, if I seem distant, it's my mood, not you.
That must help them understand better.
It does. They're more patient when they know what's happening.
Do you ever need space when your mood shifts?
Yes, but I explain first, I need 20 minutes alone to reset.
What do you do when you feel a mood swing starting?
I try deep breathing. But honestly, I'm not sure I do it right.
Would you like me to share a simple method?
Yes, please. I want something I can use at work quietly.
Breathe in slowly for 4 seconds, hold for 2, then exhale for 6.
Why is the exhale longer?
Long exhales tell your nervous system, we are safe now.
I'll try that next time I feel tension building.
Do you ever write down your feelings, Bob?
Not really. I worry it will make me feel worse.
Actually, writing often helps release emotions. Want to try a simple way?
Okay, how do I start?
Just write 3 things: how I feel, what might have caused it, and one kind thing to myself.
That sounds manageable. Not a long essay?
No, just 2 or 3 sentences. It's about awareness, not perfection.
I'll try it tonight. Thank you for the simple suggestion.
Bob, how many hours do you usually sleep?
About 6 hours. Sometimes less when work is busy.
Do you notice worse mood swings after poor sleep?
Definitely. I'm more irritable and emotional with less sleep.
What helps you sleep better?
Putting my phone away 30 minutes before bed makes a big difference.
I do that too. Blue light really affects our sleep quality.
I'll aim for 7 hours tonight. My moods will thank me tomorrow.
Have you noticed how food affects your mood, Bob?
Yes. After sugary snacks, I feel good for 20 minutes, then crash hard.
Same here. What do you eat when you need stable energy?
Nuts, yogurt, or an apple with peanut butter. They keep me steady longer.
Do you drink enough water during the day?
Not always. I forget until I feel thirsty.
Dehydration causes mood swings too. Try keeping a water bottle nearby.
Good idea. Small changes in diet really help emotional balance.
Bob, does moving your body help your moods?
Yes. Even a 10-minute walk outside lifts my mood.
Why do you think that works?
Exercise releases chemicals that make the brain feel calmer and happier.
Do you need intense workouts for this benefit?
No. Dancing in my kitchen or stretching works too. Movement is what matters.
I love that. No gym membership required.
Exactly. Just move your body in a way that feels good today.
Who do you talk to when you're having a difficult emotional day?
My sister. She listens without trying to fix everything immediately.
That's valuable. Do you feel lighter after talking?
Yes. Just saying my feelings out loud makes them smaller.
What if you don't have someone to talk to right away?
I write a voice note to myself or join an online support group.
Connection really is medicine for mood swings.
It is. We weren't meant to carry heavy emotions alone.
Bob, do you find it hard to say no when you're already emotionally tired?
Yes. I worry people will think I'm rude or unkind.
But what happens when you say yes when you're already drained?
I become resentful and my mood gets worse. It's not fair to anyone.
So saying no is actually kind to yourself and others?
Yes. I'm learning that no is a complete sentence.
How do you practice this?
I pause before answering requests. That small space helps me choose honestly.
Have you tried mindfulness for mood swings, Bob?
I've heard about it but thought it was complicated.
It's simpler than people think. Want to try a 1-minute practice now?
Sure. What do I do?
Just notice 5 things you can see around you. No judgment, just noticing.
That's it? I thought mindfulness meant emptying my mind completely.
No, it's about being present, not empty. This grounds us when moods swing.
I feel calmer already. I'll try this during my next mood shift.
Bob, do you fight against bad moods or accept them?
I used to fight them. I'd think, why am I feeling this? Stop it.
How did that work?
It made everything worse. Fighting a feeling is like pushing a beach ball underwater.
What happens when you stop fighting?
The feeling still comes, but it passes faster when I don't resist it.
So acceptance isn't giving up, it's allowing?
Exactly. I feel sad right now, and that's okay, that thought brings peace.
Do you have a morning routine that helps your emotional stability?
Not really. I usually check my phone immediately after waking up.
How does that make you feel?
Rushed and anxious before I've even left bed.
What if you waited 20 minutes before looking at your phone?
I could drink my coffee quietly and look out the window instead.
Small moments of calm in the morning set a gentler tone for the day.
I'll try that tomorrow. Starting peaceful might help my mood stay steadier.
Bob, do you have a creative hobby for expressing emotions?
I used to draw as a kid, but I haven't done it in years.
Would you try again, just for fun, not to create art?
What would I draw when I feel emotionally messy?
Whatever comes out. Scribbles, colors, shapes, no rules.
That sounds freeing. No pressure to make something good?
None at all. It's about release, not results.
I'll buy a small sketchbook this week. Thank you for the idea.
Bob, when should someone consider talking to a professional about mood swings?
When they interfere with daily life, work, relationships, or self-care.
Is there shame in asking for help?
None at all. It's like seeing a doctor for a physical illness.
What might a professional offer that self-help can't?
They can spot patterns we miss and suggest personalized tools.
And sometimes mood swings have medical causes that need treatment.
Exactly. Asking for help is a sign of strength and self-awareness.
Bob, are you kind to yourself during difficult mood days?
I used to be harsh. Why can't you just be normal?
How do you speak to yourself now?
I try to talk to myself like I would talk to my best friend.
What would you say to a friend having a hard emotional day?
I'd say, it's okay. You're doing your best. This will pass.
Can you say that to yourself too?
I'm learning to. Self-compassion changes everything.
Bob, what's one thing you've learned about mood swings today?
That I'm not broken and mood swings are human, and there are gentle ways to cope.
What gives you hope when emotions feel overwhelming?
Remembering that no mood lasts forever. This too shall pass.
What small step will you try this week?
I'll pause before answering requests and drink more water.
Small steps create big changes over time. Be patient with yourself.
Thank you, Alice. With awareness and care, emotional balance is possible.